Welcome. In this video we are going to program using the JavaScript a very simple matching game. So let's begin by creating an HTML 4.01 strict page and change the title to matching game. Let's save this game.html. Then first I need to start by creating the HTML. I will use an ordered list with some list items. So I will need 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I will add an ID to the ordered list item tag, so I will call it just pieces. Here I will add some colors, let's say black, white, red, blue, white, blue. So this is the HTML I need. Let's execute this and see what will I have. I used F12. So there we go, we have just an ordinary unordered list. Okay, let's minimize that and add some styling. So I will add a style tag. Okay, and here I will style the list item tag. Okay, so I will add some padding, let's say 20 pixel, and margin 2 pixel. Then float, I will need to move that to the left. Border, we will have a border of color, let's say red, it doesn't matter. Then it will just be a thin border and solid for the type. Okay, I need to center the text to the center. Okay, let's test this. I need a width 200 pixels. List style, I need add none. So there we go. Now I need to hide this text. By default it will be hidden when the user clicks in one of the rectangles here. The text will show up. Okay, so I will use the text indent, and I will give it a negative number 999 pixel. Okay, so let's see now. There we go. Okay, and when I want the text to be shown, I will add a class to that, to a list item. So list item flipped. When it's flipped, I need to change the text indent to 0, so it will be shown. Okay, so now we have created the HTML, the interface. We have styled the interface, give it the colors and the width and its appearance. Now we need to add the logic and the behavior of the game, and to do that we are going to use, of course, JavaScript. Type text JavaScript, close the tag. So the first thing I need to do is on the load of the page, I need to attach a function to the click event on every list item. Let's do that with the window that on load event. I will give it a function. I will create now. Okay, so I need first an object, a variable. So let's just say it's an element. So documents that get element by id. The id we have chosen pieces. Okay, so now we have the element dot click. We are going to call the function check. Okay, so now I will program this function check. It accepts as a parameter an event. Okay, we don't need to specify here the parameter because this is JavaScript. It's not the C language. It doesn't have the same strict rules and this strict way of doing things. Okay, so now I will declare a variable current. This variable will hold the current element, the current list item the user clicked on. So var current, and also we need to get the event. Here I will deal with some the different way of getting the event, the argument from Internet Explorer, old Internet Explorer browsers, because we need to go to the window level to get the event from old Internet Explorer versions. So we have the event. We need to get the target. The list item target the user clicked on. So it's event that target this for new browsers, but for Internet Explorer, old version of Internet Explorer, it's event that source element. This is the differences in the DOM specification. For Internet Explorer, the document object model names things differently than the other browsers, Firefox to name the major browser that's used out there. Okay, so now we have our target, and let's put it in the current variable target. Now when the user clicks on a rectangle, we need to see if this rectangle is already clicked on and there is already a text in that one. So we won't care about that click, so we are going to ignore it. So if current that class name goal flipped, we just return. So we end the script. We are going to do nothing else. Current that class name, it will get the name of flipped, and when it does that, automatically this CSS rule will be applied. Okay, which means the text will appear, the text indent will be 0, so the text will appear in the rectangle. Let's save this and test.